Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do an unboxing and to do a demonstration of a product that was sent out to me. So if you're interested in that at all, then keep watching. It is from Ulike, and it's an IPL device to remove hair on your body. So it removes hair from underarms, legs, bikini line, face. And yeah, I've watched quite a few videos already of people unboxing this one, and I'm quite impressed by the content creators that have shown it. Bigger YouTube channels have shown it, so that kind of impressed me that they would reach out to someone with a smaller channel. So anyway, I'm going to do the unboxing, I'm going to show you the product, and then I'm going to demonstrate how it works, talk a little bit about it, and the things you should do and the things you shouldn't do with it. It comes in this beautiful box. Inside you have the pamphlet, and this gives you all of the instructions, which we're going to get into in 1 second. Then you open up here, and this is how it looks inside. It has the cute little razor. So they recommend you shave your legs first. So this little cute little razor. And then it also comes with sunglasses. And look at this, magnetic. These are to protect your eyes, because you must protect your eyes. And this is how they look when you're using the product. So that's what these look like. Now to get into the actual box. Gorgeous, almost like a pleather leather type box. And it is magnetic, and it's on a hinge. So it pops up and you can hear the hinge. So this is what you will store your device in. Okay, so here we have, take this little thing off, and you have your adapter here. Card is a genuine warranty card issued by Ulike brand free warranty service, is available for 1 year from the date of purchase. In case of defect and malfunction, you must carry this card for a appliance exchange, refund, and after sales service. Please refer to our user manual for full warranty terms and conditions. So that's your little warranty card adapter. Here we have it. And this is the device. Nice, feels good in the hand. The adapter plugs in, then that plugs in here. Nice long cord, and this is what this part looks like. And because I live in Canada, it is this type of plug. It's a 2-prong plug, but if you live in Europe, they ship all over the world. If you live in Europe, they will send you an adapter to fit into the Euro voltage. So that's really cool. So then this fits in here like that, and then this goes into the wall. So we have her plugged in now, and at the side here is the power button. So we're going to turn it on, and you'll hear the fan. It just sounds like a breeze or a waterfall, like a quiet waterfall. So you then press the power button again. It brings it up to 2, 3, 4, 5 levels. If you press it again, it brings it down to the first level. So they always, there we go, that's how it does. They always recommend that you start on the first level. Let's talk about the product, how to use the product. This comes and it goes through step by step everything you need to know about this little device. And by the way, at time of filming this, I have not got a discount code for you guys, but if they give me a discount code, I will put it down in the description box. It goes through all the safety precautions that you need to be aware of. Do not use this device on the following areas, private parts of your body. So if you have skin conditions or acne or anything like that, and I do encourage you, if you do decide to get an IPL device, whether it's this one or any other one. I know I've had IPLs done at the salon, and they actually cost you hundreds into thousands of dollars. And I've had IPL done on my face. Just be mindful that not to use this device on any broken skin or any moles or anything like that. Also, let's see if you have had plastic surgery. That's another one, on areas near your eyes, your mouth, anything that is not on the surface. Don't use it there. Good thing to know is that if you have very dark skin, it's not typically going to work for you. And if you have gray hair or white hair on your legs or underarms, it's not going to work on that either. So here's a little diagram of the different colored types of your skin. And so it gives you here, if you're deeply pigmented, dark brown to darkest brown, it's not going to work on your skin type, or it won't work well. So, and then as it gets lighter, and I'm down in here somewhere between the white and the cream, and it's very applicable. Down a little bit, dark brown skin, it says applicable but cautious. So some of the benefits, let's go into some of the benefits of why you should use an IPL. Why use an IPL over shaving or waxing. The thing about IPL is it's going to be permanent hair removal, whereas waxing, it keeps coming back. Shaving, you've got the disadvantage of nicks and cuts, and it's just, you have to do it every day or every few days, and it just becomes a big hassle. So it's got this intense pulse light, a laser, two of the most common hair removal methods. Both principal convert light energy into heat energy, eliminate hair follicles, and thus slow down hair regrowth. The similarities between them is that both methods must be used periodically to achieve the desired effect. So, eventually you might only be using this every few months, just to maintain it. So I really like this, and I'm excited to use it. It does not damage your skin and can be safely operated by anyone. IPL is the most convenient choice for removing hair at home. It also has this sapphire technology that cools as it's zapping. The device retails for $359 US. And I'm going to do a demonstration for you and show you how it works. So keep watching. So this device is absolutely, completely painless. It just feels cool to the touch, and this is only on the very first level, and then next week I will increase it. I will use it once a week, or maybe twice a week, depending on how I feel. When I am uploading this video, I had no reaction whatsoever on my legs. I've yet still to try it on my underarms, but it just seems to be working really well. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the company for sending me this device and letting me try it out. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!